Well, everyone, this is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this May the 20th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far. Everybody has a great Monday evening. I hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday. Also, the weather radar currently across the nation. Also, the watch and warning advisory map. Also, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, as we got a lot of severe weather to cover in this package. Alright, or in this video, whatever you want to call it. So, but anyway, I hope everybody make sure you hope everybody had a great day today. Also, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road. All right. As you go through Maine, back to New York State, back down toward East Canada, back to Michigan, back to Minnesota, back to North and South Dakota, back to Montana, also into portions of Texas and Oklahoma, down into northern Mexico, same across the Bahamas, Gulf of Mexico, south coastal waters, across much portion of Florida, and off the southeast coast. All right, we got shower there as well, and a little bit of northern Nevada with some showers there as well. More mixed precipitation over here in portion of Montana through west through in the portion of eastern Idaho down to Utah and also into Colorado. The red slashed area over here in portions of Minnesota back in with on Tuesday. Otherwise, dry. High pressure in charge of all of these activities for your Tuesday, May 21st. All right, now here's your forecast for your Wednesday. As you can see, we got a big area of showers and storms in the coast. That is also back in the Tennessee, back in the Texas. Pockets of thunderstorms and showers over South Dakota, Nebraska, Colorado, also New Mexico, and also into Oklahoma and Kansas. More thunderstorms and showers, mixed precipitation over here in portions of southwestern Canada through Montana, also in important Wyoming, also Idaho, Washington, Oregon states as well. Back into the southwestern U.S., including the Four Corners region, southeast portion of mid-Atlantic, portions of the northeast, and also areas of New Brunswick. As well. Across the nation, as you can see, over southeast Canada, we've got some ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings and thunderstorm showers as well in portion of Michigan, stretching into portion of Indiana and also Illinois. Also over here in portions of Nebraska, got more activity across Montana, back to Idaho, to Washington State, down toward Idaho, also down toward Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado region, Wyoming, are included. All right, here we go. All right, you can see we got some coastal flood advisory up around Eastern Virginia, Florida. Also got some small craft advisory for portions of Summer Panhandle, Florida, stretching up into portions of right along the Tennessee, Arkansas border, and also the Missouri. Indiana. We have a tornado warning in Minnesota. Down in Iowa, and also northwestern Kansas for one county there. Southern effect for Kansas, also eastern portion of Wyoming. We have a area red advisory is also in effect. Frost advisory with Idaho, and also we have some winter storm watches in effect for Port of Montana, portion of eastern Idaho. One area county in portion of Montana got a flash flood watch warnings. Also some small craft advisory around the Hawaii Chain Island. Also some small craft advisory around the Alaska area, with a few in the green here is flash flood watches. All right, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your two. Okay, here we go. We got a marginal rift up here from portion of Maine. Stretching through Burton back over towards the Billings, Montana area and Salt Lake City, Utah. All right, we have a moderate risk for severe weather, pretty much around Delmont, Iowa, Iowa City, Iowa, Moline, Rock Island, and Galesburg, and Davenport, Illinois. We have an enhanced risk stretching from La Crosse to Milwaukee to Pierre, down to Hannibal, down to Kansas City, Jefferson City, Omaha area. And in the Lincoln, you're in slight risk stretching down to Oklahoma City, Norman, and also over towards Chicago, and also up toward Green Bay. You're included in the slight risk, marginal risk stretching all the way from Abilene to Dallas, all the way up to Detroit, Duluth, Sioux Falls, Iowa, and almost east of. All right, that's where the severe weather will take place. Let's take a look at the tornado probability. All right, we have a 2% in the green, which includes Minneapolis, down to Tulsa, to Springfield, to Jefferson City, St. Louis, Jefferson City, Kansas, over toward Hannibal, Springfield, Pierre, up to Milwaukee, toward Green Bay. You're in the 5% risk, and the 10% risk include Delmont, Iowa, and including Madison, Wisconsin, also Rockford, Illinois, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and also Davenport, Iowa as well. All right, the damaging winds for tomorrow on your Tuesday. All right, we got 5% in portion of Maine, stretching back down toward Burlington, Vermont. And also we got 5% down in portion of Texas, from Dallas all the way up toward Detroit. And this is where the significant area of severe weather for damaging winds up to 80 miles per hour. This includes the 45% risk area. This includes the Del Monte, Iowa region. For you're in line for 40 significant severe weather for damaging winds up to 80 miles per hour. I can't get it out. Up to 80 miles per hour. All right, 45%. This includes Medellin, Rock Island, Illinois, and Galesburg, Illinois. 45% risk for damaging winds, maybe up to 80, maybe even 90 miles per hour. We'll not rule that out. And then Milwaukee to portion of Aurora, Illinois, 30%. Then from Chicago to Minneapolis, you're in the 15%. And 50%. The large hail will be to Kansas City, Kansas. Also from Chicago to Minneapolis to Dallas to Plano for severe weather. And this list just in the, I'm going to exit that out so I can get to it real quicker. Alright, here we go. We got general thunderstorm from up here in Maine back to San Antonio. General thunderstorm from Rapid City to Casper to Denver down to Pablo. Then Great Fall to Columbus all the way up to Cleveland. Slight risk of severe weather from Watertown all the way to Austin, all the way to Oklahoma, Jefferson City. Your marginal risk for severe weather, the probability should be 5 and 15%. Yep, there it is. 15% in the yellow. 5% in day 4, which is Thursday. We have an area from Dallas to Wichita, Steel, Norman, Oklahoma, also to Tulsa, Little Rock, Arkansas, Waco. You're included in this 15% risk area for severe weather on your Thursday. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. So enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful morning, folks. Take care.